Hello and welcome to your new Creation Station Printing business storefront. Today, we'll quickly go over some of the features of your storefront and how you can use it to place bulk printing orders, remove inventory from previously purchased items, navigate the business storefront categories, request for new items to be added to your store, or make updates to items currently in your store. First, let's take a look at the main storefront area. Here, we have 6 main categories. These categories contain all the different products and services that you can choose from. These categories are extremely flexible and have almost unlimited options depending on how you have partnered with Creation Station Printing. For example, let's click on the print materials area. In this area, you'll generally find printable items to choose from, as shown here. But in the case of this customer, we have also built them a folder assembly product as they ordered a bulk run of presentation folders, but wanted to put different inserts into them throughout the year depending on their need and marketing push. So here they can choose their folder assembly product. They can choose from pre-printed inserts, or they can choose a new design insert that they can upload here. If we go back to the main category area, we can also see a category called Trade Show and Events. In this area, you can either order new items for new events, or in the case of this customer, we have already printed these items that we store in our warehouse inventory for them, and they pull from that inventory as needed for each event. So you can actually take from pre-printed items and also order new items, all from the same store and ordering system. After the event is completed, we supply the customer with props for boxing and return shipping labels. So everything returns to one location and a new intake is created to update stock on the website. So, for example, you could pull different packages for trade shows. You could pull some of your old trade show items that we have in inventory and also add some marketing materials that maybe we pre printed for you and have all of that shipped to the marketing event or trade show event that you're going to. And then your team on the floor could then box all that up and ship it right back to the warehouse. So you don't have to worry about losing anything in transit or worrying about where your items are at any given time. After the storefront is also subject to different areas that can be role specific. So some users in your company will only be able to see certain categories of products, and others, such as admins, will have access to bulk reordering areas when stock becomes low on certain items. For example, here we have some pre-printed notepads with a stock value of 2. Let me click that here. You can see that there's 2 left in stock, and we have printed these in packages of 10. So that means we have 20 notepads in bundles of 10 ready to ship and fulfill. And once you place the item in your cart and complete the checkout process, the inventory of this item will then decrease automatically. And if we need to order more, we can go back one screen and we can look at the available categories area. And you'll notice something called admin order section. This area is only accessible by admins and allows the bulk reordering of any items in your storefront that you've ordered before. So, for example, we have these color notepads here. And you'll notice that these are not pre-printed. So here you can choose different sizes and options. You can choose the same item as your last order. We can choose our number of sheets, whether or not we want a proof, and then we can change our quantity depending on how many of these we really want to bulk reorder. Once you bulk reorder these will then go into the inventory of that previous product and your stock value will go up. Bulk ordering is a great way to save money by ordering your regularly printed items once and having us keep your items in inventory to use throughout the year. In printing, you save a ton by ordering things in higher quantities. So this is a great way to cut down on expensive short-run on-demand printing. Our system also notifies you and sends you an email when you are getting low on inventory. So you'll never have to worry about running out of items again. Last, back to the main page, we have an area for new product requests right here. So if you have a product you'd like added to your storefront, you can click here to fill out a form and we'll get it added for you right away. The promo and merch area allows you to order new promo items for your company from over 750,000 different options. Once you purchase these through our promo store, we will then add them to your storefront with stock inventory for warehouse and fulfillment. Lastly, if you need a new quote or for us to quote out a new project, just click here and submit a quote request. This can be used for one-off bulk orders, order requests, or new products that you need priced and added to your storefront. Your business storefront has unlimited possibilities for customization and use cases. You can use it strictly for reordering your regularly used items, or partner with us to store all your items, keep track of inventory, and have us fulfill your items to all your retail and distribution centers across the country. No matter the case, you now have one place to order all of your print and event materials all year long.